Creating accurate, insightful budgets is mission-critical, yet intensely complex. Without rigorous data analysis, modeling, forecasting, and communication skills, budget analysts struggle to build budgets that strategically align resources with organizational objectives. Transform your budgeting capabilities by developing world-class budget analysts through this intensive analyst training program. Attendees will gain multidimensional technical skills to dig into data, analyze trends, model financial scenarios, calculate ROI, identify cost and revenue drivers, assess risks, spot opportunities, and translate numbers into actionable strategic recommendations. Through hands-on projects and interactive exercises using real budgeting challenges, analysts will master advanced skills for budget development, justification, implementation tracking, variance analysis, forecasting, course correction, and communication to both finance peers and leadership. Upon completion, your budgeting team will possess sharp technical proficiency, strategic mindset, and practical abilities to build, manage, and clearly communicate insightful budgets that optimize resource allocation. More informed decisions will lead to improved efficiency, risk management, and sustainable growth. Elevate your budgeting to new heights by investing in rigorous analyst training now.